righty, welcome back. I tell you, so when we come back, we will tell you some things then where you need to just look out for to know whether your partner actually appreciates the kind of work where they do, or you not appreciate them, or you just want me you stay house like housewife.
Trophy.
What you tell me, Alec? I don't hear you.
I ask you, we were there, you don't tell me. You can't tell them.
I'm sorry.
Oh yes, you don't tell we. You tell we you not go know.
Okay, where we go know?
We
all of us do the research.
We learn. We
We
learn.
do the research together.
But
Oh yeah, just tell us first.
Okay.
Are they surprised?
Number one, where you need to look out for, especially for man or woman where they work. If you need a partner where will support that kind of work where they do, because I don't hear stories of girls will tell me say my partner say I don't like the kind of work where they do. We need to change that work because you know they get time for me. Or the girl will tell the guy like that story. Let's have
Tuesday.
So number one, how much gender language in they use? Now, if your guy they always use this one are men work, this one are women work, you need to know say, hey, red flag, don't they say, you know, like that work where they do. You know, like him at all. So look for ways to actually make him understand, say, come on, whether say you see I'm saying a man, not supposed to do this work or not, I'm not leaving my job. It's just like this morning, you get one of our colleagues will tell me, say, come, this one work, what they do. I'm not going to allow my wife to do this kind of work at all. Yes. He said because it's too stressful. And some people when they out there go to say, now just to talk now. What are they actually doing? Now just to talk. They're not say, hey, it's more than talking.
Yes, if I not talk and well, you go accuse me.
Of course.
And I must not give you wrong information.
Oh, yes.
Of
It
course.
must be say I prove them. Say
But
if you ask. But this one where you talk, we say, at first my husband, when I just start this media, he they always tell me, even when I travel to go school, they always tell me, I beg any necessary. All these things at the end of the day. Now inside kitchen it go end. Where if you want to use and work now for the main time. Now the main time. So where they work where I they work before, too na TV. I can't make sure say that day, the exclusive interview where I do, I make sure say he go watch him. So that's the day where they want air now on a Saturday. I just find one Connie we sit down with the watch TV. And I go say, time don't reach. Me I know. I say, time don't reach. They won't show that work. I say, I beg you. This your work. I beg you, come move on. I say, watch him. Actually, when he comes here, I go say, oh, really? Now, what do you they do be this? Oh, I like him. Oh, okay. He can't understand. So when I come move to radio, he can't be my number one fan. Whenever he did Lagos, he must listen to me. And they crack him up, and they surprise say they laugh to what they talk for radio. But when he see me face to face, they talk something, go like, I say, but this one funny person I talk. He go say, at that moment, I know they see you as person where I know, they see you say they do your job. Yeah. So over time, you don't call like I make and they interesting to Ram. And even though the work they very busy, I mix some as rice and beans. So that it would make sense. Not besides the part where
Now, you don't say this particular research they do, so now people actually bring and come out to say, to know if your partner actually support that business way they do. But I don't know if I actually key into this first one.
Yeah, you know if it be 100%.
If man, they talk about saying a woman work with this, and a man work with this, then you will not say, yes, this man will go always support you and your business.
Like woman, where they into construction.
No, you know,
and the man tell us, say, no, you know, if you go sites with men.
Even if the man come out and say, okay, yes, construction and man work, no mean say, go still support the woman if she decides say she want to do construction.
But they say if the man start to talk, say man work, na man work, na man
they
work.
use the gender word.
They use the gender word.
I know support.
Me, I'll go say 50-50. I go say 50-50 because it gets...
Zero.
It gets some people where we say actually go say before they date, okay, you support the work, and you see the person they derive joy inside that work. But as soon as come, you can say no. How me go side, they go side, still control. I don't understand. Meanwhile, you feel still make her own day funky. Okay, you know what? I go do the site, you go to do the interior. We go all day sites.
You know what?
They the softer parts, but hey, no break my my hustle. Let me do what I want.
50-50.
For me, I really look at
so now you don't understand
50-50
right now.
For me, I look at them as 50-50.
I just the reason.
Yeah. They say you feel make white blue.
No, I understand. My own 50-50 we say if you get man where be say any small thing go say no, this one a man work. No, this one a woman work. No, this one a man work. This one a woman work. Then you need to know say red flag don't they where be say one day he go tell you say that work where you dey do, woman not supposed to do am.
He go, oh,
I'm serious.
sorry, bro, I don't fit keep
Because
my
person call us
certificate. I shall walk.
on the morning show say woman not supposed to work at all.
So
if
I
a
get
man
people-
don't start to dey tell you say you supposed to enter kitchen, now woman work to always they sweep house, now to always they do this thing, then I want to support your business.
No, now you
Yeah.
are talking.
Yes,
When the
my
man
lord.
come out say, woman work now today kitchen, woman work now today.
As all those-
He did different from
No,
when the man
when
they
he
say,
started-
okay, actually to drive a car and a man work,
man
to
work.
do this one. There are two different things they talk about.
Now, waiting they actually talk about be say, for you to get man where actually they assist you in terms of your work and everything. You see, a guy needs to have his own beliefs about gender norms, not what society has told you. No, society don't tell you say, now woman supposed to do this particular work. Woman supposed to dey sell tomatoes. Woman supposed to dey do gari. But if a man call they see him, yes, because I get one particular person who tell me say, a woman supposed to dey kneel down, they give you wife food.
Yes,
believe am till
I get
today.
person who say, woman,
Yeah.
if you
Still
want,
believe am till
like,
today.
maybe you carry something, maybe like, now I carry book, I won't give my husband. I suppose bend down, give
They
him.
still believe am till today.
I don't understand. Now no means
Excuse
I
me.
respect him.
Thank
Or
you.
are you?
I'll slap him, sef. Kneel down,
As you,
slap am.
as you do that one now to the guy, he
Now,
did very rude.
okay, Betiana, I go kneel down and slap him.
Slap man.
Now still respect.
I
I don't
know.
say.
Now respected.
But I
slap.
imagine for you later, you see they call him brother say, but no let me slap you.
Ó máa jẹ́ pé ju mí lọ mi bá sọ pé orí ẹ̀ ò pé.
What do you remember? But if not be say you senior,
She needs to learn this Yoruba.
if not be say you senior me, I'll
I
just
thought
talk
I
your
said
head
you know
over
where.
it.
But you never
What do you
speak
remember?
up
You know, it's not time now. All right, number 2. They say, how hard in they try to upgrade you and your business?
Yes. That one I can't. I support that one
Get
100%. 100%. Because if you and person in their relationship, not even about only business alone.
Yes.
Now everything all encompassing. If you they grow, you suppose they drag your partner, they grow with you.
Along.
Whether you be woman or you be man, because you don't know who God won't bless for inside the relationship. So no matter what it be, you they do business. Your spouse suppose they interested and they suppose support you and find ways to tell you, say, okay, what if you do them this way? I believe say it will actually pay off or it will grow past like this if you take this route, if you take this route, or you get issue for your business or for your work, your spouse or your partner is supposed to help you find solution or support you. Say, okay, actually, I feel say this one go better pass for you. No be saying they go just look and say,
But let the fish.
anyone
I want
want to
content
do
do
am
am
like that.
so.
No. Person will really support your business, will get interest in them and go help you to grow them.
It will give you other means then for you to grow. Oh,
Yes.
babe, I don't see this particular training online. I know say you go actually make this particular work or business where you they do grow very well.
Oh,
if
why
go
don't
for
you
am,
repackage
why don't
this
you repackage it
fruit
this way?
juice where you they do repackage and like because for my office I noticed say in the afternoon like 5 or 6 people they
Thank
like
you.
to drink the juice.
Exactly.
Why not
Thank you.
package and like this and I go advertise them to my friends?
Exactly.
They help you do marketing on your own.
Yes.
So
So now number 3, I will need to read a particular thing where they write on top this one. You say, what does it say when you they complain about your hustle? Now, waiting they write inside this one, they say, we all have times when you say you're working, you go just come and talk, say my work don't tire me. He say, yes, we all want partner. Where be say, when we don't talk, say our work don't tire us, go give us solution rather than say, give up. In short, wait till that work even be safe.
resign.
Resign.
Well, I mean, just kukuma resign.
Come
What
to
did they
the
do for
house.
that work? Resign, don't
I'll
know.
pay
I
you
will set
double.
you.
They'll come pay you the double 3 months. After 3 months, it don't stop.
They say when the person to you on the close eye. They say when the person not they talk like that, they know say something is going on under the cupboard.
Oh, God. Strong one.
Oh, yes.
I not go talk.
Maybe I beg to.
Strong one. No. I reminisce and go on other side. So.
Everything you enter,
I
you
know
enter
the
left
side. I
side.
know the side where you enter, but
I
don't
know
Move
leave it
on
like
to the
that.
left side.
But you know,
Yeah.
say this one they're very, very correct.
Yeah.
Because I remember where I've been they work before. I get issue with that. Not because I get issue. The work just tire me actually. And okay, at that time, it gets 2 different people I actually talk to about the work. Say, okay, I don't tire, blah 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 blah. One person tell me say, if you don't like, can leave am now, resign. And then I can't wait. I can't follow my uncle talk. My mama elder brother says, now that one comes to me and says, see, make you understand. Say, now like this, your life won't be from now on. You need to understand the fact. Say, from now on till when you retire, now work you go to work. You know, be like so when you go school, you say, okay, you dey graduate. Say, now the same work.
Oh, you want
you
change
dey
course.
work. You don't fit change. Thank you. You don't fit change course. So you don't fit change anything because you don't decide say, now this one you want to do. The only thing where you feel the way you tell me, say, now say you go find a way to spice up, to revive that passion when you been get about the job from the beginning. Now that one go help you and see you through.
Yeah,
True.
I actually like that one. Now, the last one on top of this research, where they actually do to show whether your partner they support your business or not. Now, you say how you take they react to your business success. Now, they write for you. You say when you just sign a big deal, and you dey very excited, you dey rush go as go tell them. Say look carefully at the way he go take answer you. In tone of
case.
voice. He say if they give you weak smile like. If they tell you congratulations quickly, or he go just do, Oh, really?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Just for that.
Then you know say you not support your business at all.
At all. Now, you know, all the same
that
thing
one,
with
that
that
one,
one
that
now.
one not even reach self. It gets some we go actually smile. Now the aftermath of their character, the after maybe the following morning as they go begin they react to you. Now that one you go take no say, what's in they
Wetin
actually
happen?
And because they don't promote you for
Wetin I
work.
Wetin dey
talk?
actually happen?
No, you know when especially maybe they work for. I don't want to degrade them too much. Maybe they work for a higher place and the guy no too they
You know, level
the
up.
same level, but because una say yes, I dey preach am, because
Love.
we say love. The next thing we go hear, like she talk, and the next morning, the thing no sink in head that time.
No, it's sink or it just pretend. So
it
it
no
not be like
sink, it no
say.
sink well. It never sleep
If it
over am.
sink, if it sink, it
You
go
see dey here,
react.
you know when you enter like this, you see, you can't dey here. It's when you can't sleep, you can't enter, can't reach here, can't wake up for morning. Why you still lying down? I'm not supposed to be in the office. And you're like, wetin I do now? Wetin happen? And you never do my tea for me. You know say suppose don come one house by 8 too. You never do my tea. You know that time unnecessary.
They go begin nag.
Nagging. When man not supposed to dey nag, he go nag, go up, nag, come down.
No, they say man not the nag. Now, they
Hey!
Na talk
Now
they
we are
talk.
No, they explain.
They
their
explain, they
sense.
no nag.
Yes.
Now
So-
men, then nag pass. Now then gossip pass.
And they
Now
complain
then
pass.
talk pass.
Jesus.
They say women they talk.
I
Man
beg
talk pass.
And they
you.
want attention more than that.
I beg you. Yes, so now welcome back and I still talk with you on top of Zobia Television. That's about now one such in a cook of the day. I just want to go straight to the point. And I know we'll go left and I know we'll go right.
Hallelujah.
I won't go straight to the point.
That's the Friday
And I will
effect.
target some people.
taking this
And my
to the
question
point.
is this. How long you think say they okay make people date before they marry?
5 years.
Straight up. Sorry? I hear something,
5
Quibi.
years.
Why you close eye now? Close eye. 5 years.
5 clinical.
No verse, I beg
Okay,
explain.
the first 3 years on our dates, then the time where he propose, you go know in family. The next, inside that 1 year.
3 years.
Wait,
wait,
now.
now.
Family.
Why you come out face?
3 years on our date. 3 years on our date.
My heart gonna beat fast.
Then 1 year, we take know the family. Then the next year on our plan wedding.
You use 1 year to no family.
You have to use 1 year plan wedding.
You know, say Christmas, you go their place. Each time you
That's
come
my
on our
mouth just
place.
open, keep.
Just cause.
No,
na
keep
jo-
it say
na
the
joke
truth.
idea.
Please, oh.
This kind nonsense joke with that one.
And my heart they beat. As in, my heart they actually beat.
My mouth open. I
No,
forgot to
let
close
5
am.
years. Pikin when they born before una start relationship, go don dey talk, go dey call una name.
You say I know person we don't date for 10 years.
Yes, I know the one where they date 12 years.
We know they talk about Lord of the Rings.
So what did I ask you say? How long you think say it okay make people date before they marry?
For me. We make Oya talk.
Oh yeah,
Talk
teacher
to me.
eye,
Talk,
teacher eye, teacher eye. Oh yeah, we will talk.
No, talk.
Teacher eye.
No, you know we are in the spirit. I understand. I
Such a
understand.
chorus out together. But for me, actually, I don't think say time limits date to dating before
Alright.
you marry.
Good
It
one.
depends on you. When you date with the person, una two don't they connect, don't you go know when the time reach. Actually, because you know if you know person finish, maybe we know this for ourselves. You date person for 10
Even when you
years.
dey inside the marriage, you
You're
never
still
see
not
I
no
know they
finish.
talk. Even if you date person for 10 years, no mean say you go don't know the person finish. And you date her for 3 months, no mean say you don't really know the person. It depends on both of you if you not agree. Because I always talk on marriage na agreement, na decision. You decide, say, okay, I actually want to be with this person from now to the rest of my life till I dust.
Kaput.
say bye bye.
Okay, for me.
So
Say go.
for you,
For me, if after 2 years, una never they think to the direction of settling down, then
Okay,
something needs
so
to be
your
done.
own are 2 years.
For me, 2 years.
No, that's
Maximum
when
2
una
years.
don dey mentally ready for marriage and relationship first before una enter the relationship. A girl wey dey secondary, wey dey
Oh, that's
wey dey
too young.
listen now, a girl wey dey for A get way there for investing, maybe
Hold on.
100 years. I 100 level. I know say some people from 100 level they don't marry.
Thank you.
But
From
maturity,
From SS3.
yes. Okay, because when I did not from
Person
just
don't marry
3,
from
yes.
the-
Okay, from just
From
3
the
she don't
north,
marry.
yes, I understand.
Not
East,
easy.
East, yeah.
Like school,
Myself,
secondary
I know
school now for the
somebody.
East.
Secondary
I know people
school.
when
Yes,
they make
yes.
that WAEC, they don't marry. They don't born their children finish. Their children don't already.
That's your open mouth. Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
At least I
I
think
think I
university,
should be
I
still
know
talk
of
on
three
top of the
girls.
show.
3 girls were married. The first one, by the time she entered year 1, she don't already marry. Her she talks her sister married before her. As her younger sister.
So how long they
Married
date before
before.
they marry?
How I want to know.
Those ones they date.
No, I don't know why they do that.
You say SS3. Which they see? Which
Okay,
you
okay, you
date?
they talk about mentality. I think not
Yes,
already. Okay.
mentality. Say, okay,
Okay.
like, for example, you don't finish university before you meet the guy. The guy too don't they work, you don't they work. I tell you, you know, even supposed to pass 6 months at that level before una marry. But once una don't start from, say, children, una can't grow into the love before una can't understand where una dey. You no get limits. As you feel.
Oh, not true.
All right.
All right.
Talk am.
And how far our body culture? We don't get body culture.
Oh, sorry.
All right. But
All right, we get body kaja, and body kaja, what they talk about now? Nails. They talk about nails. Amaka might say, okay, Amaka dey on natural nails.
I'm always.
I'm on natural.
We are on natural
but you
nails,
wrap
I
your
painted
nails.
it.
You wrap
Yes,
your
I
nails.
wrap mine too.
Me too, I wrap my nails. But I know say get some girls where go actually fix nails. It is very irritating.
Yeah.
I could imagine how did they take it.
Go long.
And as a lady, you know, say you go clean your
In
body.
here.
You go
So not true now.
you go clean, and so with all those bacteria where they enter inside your hand, you know they necessary for you to do long one. Do the one where you go fit clean
Moderate.
under your hand so that everything go. They manicure the nails well, so that when you dey talk to this person or you dey shake or you use her whole spoon, you go look very nice.
Yes.
Now
Which
wetin I
one
just
they
get
look
be
her
that
nails?
because
I want to make sure that
It's a fine nail.
you know they not say fine. You must still dey wash your fingers all the time.
All right, be like saying so we don't wrap them up today.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna meet you now on Monday. On
Betty Hannah.
Monday.
Go
I
vote
pledge
tomorrow.
peace.
Yes, you
Aye.
need to
Make
pledge
sure you go
peace.
vote
Yes,
tomorrow.
now peace will they pledge tomorrow.
And
We
we
know say
pledge peace.
people they fear say the governorship election will be in Wahala.
No, you go dey
but
peace.
we
Yeah, you
know
go dey
say
peace.
it go
No,
actually dey
peace.
very
You
peaceful.
go there peaceful.
Peace.
All right,
Peace,
go
y'all.
outside and vote for the person where you want to make it rule over your state, and then vote your conscience. But we go meet you now on Monday in peace and not in pieces. My name still remains Uvi Ehike Amusoy.
Oh yes, we don't come to an end. Vote Bettiana 2020 for Delta State Senator. You know, my name
First
is
female.
Bettiana. Yes, first female.
No, if like say they don't. Yeah,
No,
My
that
name
don't
remain
get-
Amaka Okudia for I pledge peace when I vote well. Oh. No fights.
All right, you pay me small. Shall say they don't get election this time for Edo State, but hey, I did Lagos. I go still vote for my choice. Make yourself go out. Make you go vote for who you know say go make Lagos move forward. Now, there my own name still remain Queen B or Balo.
And as we always they talk.
To talk no be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.
Pra!